this is the existing system that we have for Jeff and Chris, and what we're looking at overall is a C-width cabinet, and the coil is actually quite a bit bigger. It's 23 inches, while as you can see it just right there with that jut out right there on that side. But it's 21 for this guy and then 23 for the coil. We have 3-inch PVC for the exhaust as well as the fresh air. You have the condensation line for the coil running there. And once again, guys, we were only just doing the furnace. We have the condensation line for the furnace just over here on the left side, running straight back to that pump. We have the gas line and everything right there, and the electrical on the right side of the furnace. The only issue I'm foreseeing with this, guys, it's a 4-ton, and we're gonna need more airflow. We can't put a base can here. There's not enough space. It is 65 inches from the bottom of this guy all the way to the top of the coil. So there's nothing really else we can do. It's a 6-foot crawl space that's heated. It's super nice to work in. But the cold air return itself is 12 by 24, 12 by 24 on the cold air return. I believe we're gonna need to upsize that a little bit if we can. That is something I'm going to talk to Greg about and make sure that we get that correctly done for you guys and set up. He wants to keep the washable filter, so we shouldn't need to change out the filter rack or anything like that. Just go ahead and keep the filter and everything like that in there. They like the washable filters. And that's pretty much everything, guys. If you guys need to move any of the bikes or anything, you should feel free to do that. He was comfortable with me moving them out when I was around here. And that is basically everything. Actually, one other thing I do want to mention, guys, is the thermostat that they have is a 5-wire, which AC and furnace already. It's digital programmable, and we're going to keep it because they're comfortable with it and they like it as is right now. And I guess one other thing I would like to mention is these guys that we're doing the furnace for actually snow plow our shop area, as well as they have done landscaping for our shop. So make sure you guys take really good care of them and get everything done right. But you guys will. You guys are always great. But that's everything here, guys, okay?